y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy, the African mom. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make tuna stew, canned tuna. And if you are new here, I'm always on with my kitty. You see my kitty? Yeah. And my real kitty is here. Hold on, where is she? Kitty. She says hi to you guys. Hi, Gassie. Her name is Gassie. Okay. So you guys, you've seen my kitty. She's so beautiful. Okay, so today we're going to make easy and quick tuna stew, as I told you. You know, and this sauce I'm going to make, you can eat it with anything. It's healthy. And you know me, everything I make here is fresh. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to need cut fresh tomato, garlic, onion, green pepper, cilantro, a little bit of tomato sauce. My garlic is here. You saw my 2 garlic. Yeah, I like to cook with a lot of garlic. And we're going to need spinach. It's not spinach stew today. I'm not going to put the spinach in the sauce. I'll do it separate. So I'll show you everything, how to make a quick and easy. This is my dinner, me and my children, for this evening. And the time is 6:15. By 7 o'clock we should be eating. 15 minutes, I'm done. And I'm doing this to show you because I've seen some of my friends when I was working. They just bring tuna and then put it on rice and they are eating right away. First of all, you need to heat it up a little. It's in the can. So this is more the healthier version. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very easy and tasty. And you know, today we're going to eat it with green plantain. Ooh. And my tuna, I'm going to crack 2 and my tuna sauce, I'm going to crack 2 eggs in the sauce. Okay, yeah, very healthy and tasty, and you eat. Now I told you guys, we eating in the house till this thing is over. You know the thing I'm talking about, till it's over. So every day, quick and easy, fresh sauce, and you can eat it with anything. And as I told you, if you have onions and tomato, you can make anything. You can cook beef, you can cook fish, you can cook shrimp, you can cook all the meat on earth in the world. Yeah, so okay, let's start. Let's get on it. You see my empty pan? We're going to light the fire or the stove. Fire. We're going to light the fire or the stove and start cooking, okay? Oh, I forgot, guys. We're going to need all these things: salt, pepper, Maggi, and oregano, and my oil. So first, little bit of oil. Yep, just little. And as the pan is heating, I'll use some of this garlic to stir fry my spinach. I'm going to do it separate today. So garlic paste, and we're going to need some of the paste. See, I just want it to heat a little, and then I'll add my onions. Quick and easy. Adding my onions.
I'm gonna add the garlic again.
No, you just do this.
Yeah.
The next step is my tuna. It's going to go in right away so it can stir fry a little. So please, Nana, can you open my tuna for me? So guys, you see, this is my onion and garlic stir frying, and the next is my tomato with some little sauce, tomato sauce. So guys, you see, I'm just here to show you easy and quick sauce, okay, to eat anything at all you want: rice, plantain, anything in the world. So you see my sauce, yeah, it's cooking. And after 3 minutes, I'll put my tuna, because some people, they just eat plain rice and tuna. It's fine, but this is healthier way too, because you need to heat it up. They just open the tuna and then pour it on the rice. No, the meat has been in the can, so you need some garlic and things to cook it a little before you eat. I think our tuna, I was looking for the one in water, but I couldn't get it. They said vegetable oil, so I'm going to pour the oil out of it, okay? Because I don't want oil in my food. I told you, you just use a tablespoon, 1 or 2 or 3 tablespoons to cook, finish. So this, I will pour it out. Tuna. Yep. You can just use just one. Guys, what do you think? Tell me in the comments below if you've ever made tuna sauce. And next, we can put the cut green pepper. And now we're going to need our salt and pepper and everything. Red pepper, you put how much you want. If you're a pepper eater, you know how much you put. And then some salt. Ooh, easy and quick sauce for dinner. Every day I make something to eat. And my oregano is here. And now I'm going to cut my cilantro and add it. Once you have all your thing cut, you can just throw it in. Anything can go in, first, last, anything, or all together. It will cook. Woo! Lot of cilantro. Now we have to lower our fire so the sauce doesn't burn. We're going to cover it for a little bit. So, see, I told you the tuna sauce, we're going to eat it with the green plantain. This is it. It's called AMPESI. Say it with me, AMPESI. Yeah, so it's going to be cooking right now, so everything will be ready. And when I serve, I'll show you how beautiful it's going to look. So, the next we're going to do is, you see my fresh spinach? Yeah, I'm just going to stir fry with some garlic and salt and pepper. That's it. So with that one too, we need just little. See that, guys? Look at the sauce. Tuna sauce.
It smells so bomb.
And after, when I put the egg, I'll crack it inside. You can put nutmeg, you sprinkle little on it, or you put you sprinkle little curry powder for nice smell.
It's already smelling bomb though.
Thank you. Even if you have mushroom, you can add mushroom in the sauce. Make healthy stuff and eat. With this one, we need black pepper. And you can still sprinkle some oregano. And the next is salt. What they do? Let me see what they do. I'm busy here.
So bad.
With this sauce, I added a little tomato sauce because I want it to be a lot saucy, so we can.
She got the sauce.
We can use it. To
She's saucy.
Okay, you can choose just to use the only cut tomato, just that.
That's what we normally do, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we wanted more sauce,
so it can last, or we can eat it real good. And now
there's nothing shaking, love.
I'm going to I'm breaking 2 eggs in it. See? Bam! You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Maybe I'll use curry powder today. As my AMPESI, they're cooking. So we'll cook it till the water is all soaked up, okay? Yeah. The AMPESI is boiling and getting ready to be done. So we're going to add some salt in here. Salt, yeah, just a little bit of salt, and we're going to cover it to cook. And the sauce is done. It's ready. You have to taste it and see if everything, spices, everything is good. Nikki, you want to try? Nikki is here to taste it. What? Okay, no dinner for you.
I thought she's gonna be bad. Wow.
What do you think?
Eat.
Woo! Just she just know how to eat. That's it.
Exactly. I'm gonna add this one. This one.
You just know how to talk.
So my tuna sauce is ready now. This is it. See how beautiful it is? See, it's ready. I'm going to serve and show you. And look at my AMPESI. Woo! Oh my God, AMPESI. Woo, woo, woo. Dinner is cooked. So this is the finishing part. Look how beautiful it is. AMPESI, green plantain, tuna sauce, spinach, and some avocado. Guys, please try, stay home and cook easy, quick, and eat healthy, okay? And don't forget to like, click on the button, subscribe, and tell your children, your brothers, your father, your mama to go watch and cook for you, okay? Thank you. Okay, now let me try for you guys. This is my avocado. You eat with your hand. You can eat with fork and knife too. I take some sauce and then I take some greens. See? That's what is popping here.